I have to stop working. I have to go inside, get the camera, the mobile. God damn it. My luck now. What's happening with the turbocharger here, with the turbojet propeller jet? What in hell? Can I say something before you say anything? Get one tank of this that we have for the old oil. Alright, listen up. Cut the top of this, put some water inside to make swimming pool because it's very hot now these days. Okay, I said that if I see something wrong, I'm gonna start again the camera. It's not the time. I will start opening parts here and there. Okay, you see that I make some progress here front. I saw one piece when I remove the sensor here. I saw one piece. It might be nothing. We're gonna see later on. He's coming also, Mr. Omar here. He says to me, these are not the stock turbos. I didn't pay attention to all of the turbos.
You know how I noticed?
Yeah, because it's been machined.
Machine, and one more thing.
What?
This clamp.
Which clamp? Yeah, I saw the clamp that was not in the right position. Plus, has another one extra stud here that no need. You see this?
Yeah.
Somebody put it there because from the fact that it's not existing. Okay, so, and I'm saying, yes, has a turbo upgrade. And then I'm going here, and what I see, the turbocharger is gone. It's all over the place. I mean, I don't know if it's been designed to be like that, but this looks like it's totally gone. Yeah, it's supposed to don't have so much space. It's supposed to don't have so much clearance. I mean, it's touching on the wall there. Too much. I don't know. They designed like that.
Oh yeah, stop them, bro.
I mean, it's like it's gone. Well, we're gonna see also the hot side when comes the time. Yeah, moving on. Yeah. Are you sure about that, Monsieur Nouveau? Oh mon Dieu. Where am I? Yeah, continue. Oh, happy, Mr. Amar?
I'm happy.
Okay. Take one tank and cut it and make swimming pool. I'm gonna be inside the swimming pool, you know, while I'm opening the engine at the same time. Not bad. Moving on. Two things before I put the mobile again inside. First thing first. Where you think it is? Where it went? The rubber of the thermostat here. Where you think that I'm gonna find it? Yes, you're right. Between the cylinders. Yay. Second thing, with these turbos and stock internals, definitely we're gonna have some bent connecting rods. Third, if you see the filter, there are some glowing stuff inside. When you bend the connecting rod and it goes the connecting rod sideways, the connecting rod bearing not gonna be so happy, if you like. Moving on, doesn't matter. We are continuing. I'm just saying, before I put the mobile inside. Right, Mr. Derek? You want to add something? Some sugar, some coffee? I said to Omar earlier to get one tank of this that's empty, not this one with the oil, to cut it on top, to fill it up with water, you know, and start swimming. While I'm gonna open the engine, we're gonna be like this, you know, inside. We're gonna order also one mojito, we're gonna have a party. Okay, stripped off a couple of things, intake manifold out, and then I said to Mr. Derek, remove the spark plugs. What do we see here? Classic. It cannot withstand, it cannot accept these temperatures, these spark plugs, the stock spark plugs. It's not. That's why we are using the HKS spark plugs. From which cylinder you remove the spark plug?
This one.
Number one cylinder?
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna see later on when we're gonna open it. So, for turbo upgrade and tuned M157, you're not using these spark plugs, if you want my opinion. This is supposed to be one step colder. It doesn't matter. You're putting HKS and you call it a day and everybody happy. It never give up. They have tested the HKS on a tuned application up to 40,000 kilometers. Then there is a problem. It's good to change every 20,000 kilometers actually. Yeah. So we see some temperatures here, a little bit. It's bluish. This one. This is burning oil. You can see how it is. Yep, yep, yep. So that's why it was like this. That's why it's been welded here and here, because it's turbo upgrade. I saw that at the beginning, and I saw that like also the cartridge that's been sandblasted. It's very clean, if you like. And obviously the same thing from this side. Alright, moving on, continue. So, they put a new one, that's why it's nice and shiny. Okay, alright. The vacuum pump has a leak, okay, don't care about that. No, there was a bolt, nice, okay, keep it there on the box. Where I have the rest. Okay, let's move on. By the way, the fitting, always this fitting is breaking. It comes in two pieces. Always new one. Don't put the used one again. Yeah, moving on. That's it for today. Tomorrow the rest. I'm continuing tomorrow. Now, I have removed the turbos. The gaskets looks new, looks fresh. Okay. Then this has an oil on it. That's how I remove it. Alright, okay, nothing to see here yet, later on. Now, the turbos. This is not the original bolt, it's supposed to be 30 torques like this one. The clamp is not properly in place. This is supposed to be clocked to come the heat shield here, and one heat shield was missing the bolt, but this is not a big deal. Okay, then, in which turbo I saw it? 1 second. This turbo. This, if you see the turbine wheel there inside, it's full of oil and it's playing like crazy. I remove also the wastegate actuator to see if there is any crack. I did see something. I don't see that has any crack. The housing, that's a good one. That's a good one. That does have a crack, because you don't care so much about this side and front, you do care about this side and back. The hot side of the turbo. I didn't spot any crack. You're gonna tell me how you're gonna see the crack with all this smoke there, black smoke, right? Yep, okay, never mind. Let's move on. Also on this one, it does looks like it has any crack. That's how it looks like, at least. And then let me turn it up. Okay. Basket, yeah, looks okay, also the shaft here, it's okay. Then the turbine wheel, like the other one, it's not ideal. This is in better condition. It does have a wet mark down there, but it comes apart. I mean, I don't know how many turbos I have passed through my hands, but I don't think so it's supposed to have so much clearance. And like I said, yeah, there is a mark that's touching on the wall. When it starts pulling, it moves sideways and then centering and staying in the middle. But again, it's supposed to don't touch anywhere the compressor wheel, if you're asking me. Like I'm saying all the time, I might be wrong. Okay, and this one, you see there the Grand Canyon. To me, to my eyes, this turbo is toasted, and it's touching also there at this point on the wall. This is more than 2 millimeters. If you want to smoke the engine, yeah, you can use this turbo. In any case, this one is from the other side, from the bank 2. Bank 1, this one that has a broken spark plug, on the number, seeing the number 1, this turbo is a little bit more acceptable, let us say. Again, has a play. Has a play, it's not good, if you ask me. Now, you see the turbine wheel. It comes apart. Come on now. What? I make it full of oil? What happened? No, it's okay. Okay, where was I? Here. Will you focus please down over there? It won't. Yep. You cannot see the side? No, you cannot see the side. Nope. Okay. So, I don't know what they want me to do with these turbos. We're gonna figure it out. Tomorrow I'm continuing with the rest. Opening the covers. I have it. That's what I want to show you. I put it at 53 degrees. 53 degrees down here on the damper pulley. Okay, tension, it looks like it's a little bit more out than it's supposed to be. Okay. But at least you see that's dividing in the middle, half. Same thing here, half. Almost half. Almost half. I am gonna put a new timing chain, obviously. I'm not gonna keep the old timing chain. You see the links, how it's been polished. Okay, you don't wanna play with this timing chain on these engines. It's not an M156 or 113. So yeah, just for my reference, I'm gonna keep it aside. You know, if it comes anybody and he doesn't want to spend money for a timing chain or a build on budget, like it's happening every 3-4 years, maybe I'm gonna use this one if it has a problem. Except if the customer wants it back. This is it's not mine. It's not mine. Let's say like that. This has to change the position, has to go here to have an access and lose this bolt because on the way. That's it for now. The rest tomorrow. Classic. Okay, it's not something. It's not too much. The carbon. It was not spraying methanol. Yeah, the pipes didn't have a methanol jet. It was not spraying methanol. Yay. Oil here. Yeah. Tomorrow I'm gonna see inside what's going on. That's it for now. Thank you. Have a good night.